Do you want to make a photo dump swipe video on TikTok? You can instantly turn multiple pictures from your camera roll into an interactive carousel that your followers can swipe through at their own pace. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To make a photo dump swipe video on your TikTok account. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Tap the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen to start creating a new post. Instead of recording with the camera, tap the upload button in the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the multiple photos you want to include in your dump in the exact order you want them to appear. Once you have selected all your pictures, tap the next button in the bottom right corner. You will now be taken to the editing screen. To make sure viewers can manually swipe through your pictures, look at the bottom of the screen and ensure it is set to photo mode. From here, you can tap the music icon at the top to add a trending song, or use the side panel to add text and filters. When you are happy with how your photo dump looks, tap Next. Add your caption and hashtags, then tap Post to share your swipeable photo carousel with your followers.